Now I want to demonstrate the more advanced, more interesting application of this, which is to generate transactions from an external application using WalletConnect. So let's say, for example, that the owners of this multisig want to perform a swap or perhaps participate in staking or any of the other common use cases for osmosis. So I'm going to demonstrate here how I could do a simple swap. And so I first need to connect this multisig wallet to the Osmosis front end interface. So I'm going to click on Connect on the Osmosis side and select WalletConnect. And on the Apollo Safe app, I'm going to go to the WalletConnect app. I'm going to choose WalletConnect, and then I'm just simply going to copy this QR code to my clipboard and paste it into Safe. Safe is able to identify the QR code, parse it out, and now I am connected in Apollo Safe to the Osmosis front end. And you can see over in the Osmosis front end is properly reflecting the balance that I have of 4Osmo. Over here in Safe, I can see it is showing that I am connected to Osmosis. It says any transactions executed on the remote application will be handled by Apollo Safe as a new proposal. So what I can do now is in Osmosis on the front end, let's say I want to swap 2Osmo for Atom, I can initiate that swap. And what will happen is it says transaction failed, but the message clearly states that the request has been received by Apollo Safe. So I can't execute the transaction directly, but it has routed that transaction into Apollo Safe. And now over in the Safe interface, you can see that it's launched me into the new proposal interface, and it's generated a title here. So I can update this title and add something more meaningful. For example, Osmosis swap to Osmo for Atom. And I can update the description if I wanted to. And now here in the messages, this has generated the correctly encoded version of this message swap exact amount format. So this value here is actually the encoded message. If I click on this toggle, I can see what's inside here. So I can see the sender, which is the address of our multisig. I can see the route that it's taking, so how it's going to perform the swap. I can see the number of tokens in, which is the 2Osmo, and the token out that I'm looking for. So the beautiful thing about this is I can execute any transaction inside of Osmosis and have it automatically routed into my multisig wallet interface, where I can submit it as a proposal, and then any group of people, the members of this CW3, will be able to vote in order to approve or reject that proposal. So now here I am, it's created as a proposal. I am going to now switch wallets back over to the other member of the CW3. And connect. And now that I'm connected, I can navigate to this proposal. I can vote in the affirmative, which should successfully pass the entire proposal. So now we have this proposal. Both members have voted and said yes, it passed the quorum. So now this proposal is awaiting execution. I'm going to go ahead and execute that. Any member of the CW3 can execute a passed proposal. And it is now executing. And with any luck, we should see that my proposals executed, and I'm going to go back over to Osmosis on the front end. I'm going to refresh, and I can see my balance now is updated. I have 2Osmo, and you can see that I've got 0.609 Atom. So it has performed the swap once the proposal has been passed and executed. So that's just a brief overview of how Apollo Safe can help to execute transactions and manage multi-sig wallets on Osmosis. We have a pretty comprehensive list of features that we plan on working towards and adding in the future. But this is the beginning kind of base version of this app, and we're excited for what comes next. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful. Have a great day.